take your spot. Stay thinking about a white one, thinking about a bright sun. Then I chase straight from the dark shit. No tape, but I'm playing with the blank gun. Nigga, you ain't never been a god since the last run. No stairs in the place that show. A lot of niggas tell me that they never really own. Track to the place, back, nigga. Tell me that I'm like a nigga, but my flow sicker. Call me, call me, call me, call me, call me, call me, shit, yeah. Dressed like a motherfucking god when I reach the spot. Niggas always tell me that I made it from the empty slot. Change ways, niggas, no truth, no blood. Fuck a wet bread, no tongue, no spot. Chase all day to the doors in the back. But my niggas fuck bitches in the back of the cab. Claim riches, but a nigga been whack. Never talk, boy, with your fake ass stack. Cash, talking about cash, nigga. When I throw that shit, catch, nigga. Last time when I talk to a player, well, shit, run quick, slash for the neck, nigga. No, I gotta make it out the cold for the best show. Bitch, don't try, never show my back. Bitch, don't cry, just lose that tag. That's stress, thought I never really say this. All my music on my ex-bitch playlist. Bitches say 613, that's the greatest. But I never see no niggas ever famous. Facts, boy, leg boy, trash boy. 10 fake babe, hoodies, face ass boy. No, I tell these niggas that I never do shit, but my thoughts never sit, so I'm never not slick, nigga. Watch me leave this place you stay. Think about the fault you made. Change the fucking shit you say. I may be back another day.